Hello, welcome to Mad About Pets in Kinvara. It's our intention to do a few videos on the different, not just the different dog foods, but different ranges that we have here at Mad About Pets. But today what we're going to do is we're going to concentrate on the range of food available by Gain Elite. Gain Elite is made in Ireland. Tirlon are the company that manufacture Gain Elite dog food. So let's see. Let's have a look at the different ones we have here. We'll start here on the left. We'll start with the small dogs today. So so the first one I have out here is Small Dogs Light. And I suppose with Gain Elite, they say that any dog under 20 kilos they consider a small dog. Over 20 kilos is what they consider a large dog. And large and small dogs, they have different nutritional requirements, and which is why Gain have made different foods, be it for small dogs or large dogs, and they have those further broken down. But we'll just go through each of these individually. So this Small Dogs Light is for small dogs who might have a tendency to put on some extra weight. So Gain Elite have they've adjusted the formulation of food with proteins and fats and that, so to suit the dogs that might have a tendency to put on extra weight. These come in 2 kilo bags. They also come in larger bags, so certainly for the big dogs come in larger bags, but in the small bags they come in 2 or 3 kilo sizes, but that's all there on the website. The next here we have is Small Dogs Puppy. And again, puppies have different nutrition requirements to older or adult dogs. For small dogs, it's generally recommended that they are fed a puppy diet for up to 6 months, or maybe a little bit more. So a nice little Pomeranian there in the front of this one. And the next one we have is Small Dogs Adults. Excuse me. This food will suit virtually all small dogs under 20 kilos of age. Now, the next in the range, we're moving on to big dogs. So this is Gain Elite Big Dog Adults. Again, for dogs over 20 kilos, and this is a very popular food. It's been selling well since we opened here a few months ago, and can highly recommend this. We've lots of dogs thriving on it. And next we have Big Dog Puppy. Again, larger dogs, big dogs. They need to be fed a puppy diet up to about a year, maybe 18 months, or for very large dogs, you're talking maybe two years. Again, because puppies have different dietary requirements and nutrition requirements to old dogs. Again, this one sells very well, and the dogs and the puppies who are getting it are loving it. And finally, we all know dogs, some dogs who have a tendency to maybe put on an extra little bit of weight. And this Gain Elite Big Dogs Light is designed and manufactured for dogs that have a tendency to put on that little bit of extra weight. It contains all the nutrients required for a healthy dog, but again with more focus on carefully selected proteins and fats. So, as I said, all these foods for the big dogs, they're all available in 15 kilo and 3 kilo bags. Smaller dogs available in 2 kilo bags. But if you have any questions, we're more than happy to help here. And thanks for watching.